People are making money writing, and you can do it too. I'm going to show you a website where you can make money writing, and I'm going to show you 3 ways you can make money writing on this website. If you're ready, let's go. With stories like this one, you're on your way to making money on this website. If I keep scrolling, you can see that there are a lot of stories on this website. There are a lot of content creators making money on this website. To get started, all you have to do is to come to this place where it says become a creator. You click on that button. That's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to fill in your name, your email, and your password. Then you're going to click the sign up button. They're going to send you an email, which you would have to confirm to be able to activate your account. And once that is done, then log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. Then you're going to come up here. I already have a profile picture here. For you, you wouldn't have any picture here, so you would have to upload a profile picture. So to get started, you just click on that button there. That's going to show you this stuff. So you're going to see where it says create a story, stories, stats, wallet. What we have to do first is to edit our profile. You need to have a professional profile to be able to start earning on this platform, okay? Because when you have a good profile, you'll be able to attract people to read your content. So what you could do is to come to one of these authors here and then click on, let's say, this lady here. So that brings us to her bio, and we can see right here that she has a little description about herself right here. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so when editing your own profile, make sure you adapt it to look as professional as possible. So the next thing will be to click on this wallet button. So if you click on that wallet button, that's going to bring you to this place. So this is where you'll be able to connect your Stripe account. Okay, so to collect your earnings from this website, you need to have a Stripe account. So if you don't have a Stripe account, make sure you create one, or watch a video on YouTube on how to create one and then get it connected on this website. So once you are done, you could simply come to this create story button, click on that, and that's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. This is where you'll be able to write the title of your content, write your subtitle, and then if you want to upload some image, this is where you're gonna click to upload the image. If you want to embed a video, you push it to that one and then paste the link and press enter, whatever. Okay, so that's it. You click on that. So if you study these things a little bit, you understand it a little bit more, and then start writing your content. And once you are done, you save changes and submit your post. If your post is approved, you're gonna start earning from it. Okay, so you might be wondering what website are we talking about. As you can see up here, we're talking about vocal.media. Okay, so but before you start checking this website out, I need to show you few other ways you can make money on this website. So the first one is basically writing stories, like I've shown you. So which other way can you make money on this website? So let's come to the home page, and once we're here, and let's check out this writer here, Shelly Wenger. If we check out that writer, that's gonna bring us to her bio, and right here something's very interesting to see. Right here you can see that you can tip this writer. When somebody reads your content and loves what you've written, or somebody follows you on this platform, they can actually tip you. Okay, and if we click on that, you can see that you can actually get tipped $1, $2, $5, $10 and $20 on this platform. So this is another way you can actually earn money on this platform. Apart from the stories, apart from the content you have on this platform, you could get tipped by your followers, people following you. Okay, so the last way you could make money on this website is to participate on this thing right here. Okay, they've got contests that if you participate in, you could start a chance to win a substantial amount of money. Okay, so to know more about it, all you have to do is to click on that. That's going to bring you here. So you're going to see all the running competitions. So let's zoom that in. You can see they are giving away $125,000. Okay, so if you are interested, you already signed up on this platform, you can be part of this competition. Okay, as you can see here, $5,000 grand prize. They're selecting 25 winners and each is gonna get $5,000. They still have 52 days left. Okay, so this is one interesting thing about this platform. So you're not just earning money from the content you're writing, you can earn money from competitions like this, you can earn money from tips, you can also earn money from your content. Okay, so if you are interested, you could participate, but from what I understand, now competitions like this is for what they call the Vocal Plus members. Okay, so if you are part of the Vocal Plus community, that means you are a paid user on this platform. That means you pay $4.99 per month. Okay, so but paying that money increases your ability to make more money on this website. It comes with few benefits. For example, you can see here, once you join, you get a $10 welcome bonus, and then you earn $6 per 1,000 reads. Okay, once you are a pro member on this platform. Okay, but that's not to say you cannot make money from their free platform. If you start with their free platform and then you're consistent, keep writing stories, you're gonna earn a few dollars, and then if you're interested, you could use the money you just have here to upgrade and then start earning more money on this website. Okay, so it's Brigxel Bees and it's your guy Ken signing out.